Hey everybody, for this subtracting decimals problem, we're going to subtract 3 and 95 hundredths from 9 and 89 hundredths. So first of all, come over here and grab a pen or a marker. It's up to you. Okay. Now there's different ways of doing this. Well, all I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this problem where the 3 and 95 hundredths is underneath the 9 and 89 hundredths. So I'm going to just write 3 and 95 hundredths here, like this. And then we're going to subtract them. And then I'm just going to remove this part like this. Okay. So now that we have this all lined up, now we can subtract by the place value. So 9 take away 5 will give us 4. Okay. And then we can't take away 9 from 8, so we need to borrow, right? So we're going to make this 9 into an 8. And then take that 1 and make this 8 really an 18. So 18 take away 9 is 9. And then we're going to bring down the decimal straight on down. And then finally, 8 take away 3 gives us 5. So our final answer is 5 and 94 100ths.